big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting.
I'm back at it. I got meals everyone can cook. And this will be from Home Chef. I told you guys I was changing it up. Just doing no comparison. So Home Chef dropped this off today. Gotta open up the box. We can do a comparison. Okay, open it up. There we go. Alright, what we got here? Alright. So it has, it's a little different. Got little, I don't know, what's that in there? It's a little different. Got the ice packs here. Keep the food all nice and right. Actually, let me get something to put these ice packs on. Ice packs out. Put them in the cooler. The rest of the ice packs. Y'all need some ice packs, y'all let me know. No, I wish I was close. All right, quality ingredients below. Oh wow, look at here, guys. I like the bag. I love the bag. So this is red pepper butter pork chop. Take this out. Let's see it over here. This is the nutrition calendar. Oh, it got wet a little bit. Let me let that dry off. These are the menus. So you got an Acapulco style fajita skillet. You got your red pepper butter pork chops. You got your chipotle pork lettuce wraps. And they also give you a little binder to put your your recipes in. Now that is really cool. Look at that, a little binder to put your recipes in. And your nutrition, protein, facts, of cooking, instructions. That is really cool. So I'm excited, all right. Let that dry off so it can dry off nice and easy. Got your little holes, already perforated holes in there. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna definitely do that. So this really encourages you to continue to order with them so you can get more stuff. And the price point, a really good friend of mine, April, she sent me one of her referrals, and I got this stuff for like 35 bucks. I added some stuff, so it ended up being, I actually added these. I added some stuff, so it ended up being like 40 bucks, but it started out being $29 the first week. So crunch, I got some mac and cheese crunch rolls. I forgot I got those. Let me move this out the way. So I got just some extra. I got these 3 meals, but I also got extra stuff as well too. So this is the, okay, this is this. This is that. Okay. Put that over there. And this is extra. I got that extra. All right, I also got some buffalo style crunch rolls. So these are like $4.99. I think they're done $5.99 a piece, like $6 a piece. Nice bags, a Home Chef. I like the logos. I actually like the plastic bags. These are for the chipotle pork lettuce wraps. So this would be for, sorry, this would be for that. So this is that. I like that. I like this already. Look at that. And this is the Acapulco style fajita beef skillet. So this is for that. Nice, fresh, firm veggies, fruits. I mean veggies. Yeah, I like this. This is really nice. Okay. All right, so far, so I like the bags. Everything's labeled, everything's inside the bag. Assuming that under here, it's like Hello Fresh. You got another section for your proteins. So your proteins come in a bag. I like that already. And we got some more packs down here for the ice, so it's nice and iced up. Only got 3 meals. So this is your ground pork, which we know it will go with this right here. Inside these little wraps, these pork wraps. This is the ground beef, which will go in this Acapulco style fajita skillet. And last but not least, pork chops. Yeah, pork chops. So red butter pork chop. Is it two in there? I hope it is. I hope it is. Okay. So he's back in the bag. See why they put him in the bag, and that's very thoughtful. You got more ice packs down there. So the box is insulated with an insulator. And yeah, so let me wash my hands off. We're gonna compare the two, and we're gonna go from there. I'm liking what I see already. The packaging is different. I like the plastic bags versus the brown paper bags. I don't mind the brown paper bags. I just thought this would be, the presentation is really nice. And then of course you got these mac and cheese rolls. See, they want you to air fry them. Oh, you can air fry them, deep fry them, oven, or convection oven. I don't know. How y'all want to do it? You want to air fry them, or you want to fry them? I don't know, I might want to fry them. Look at that. Oh, that one broke in half. Oh, that sucks. So I have to air fry this one. And that's the macaroni and cheese one too. Shoot. I may have to tell them that. Okay. So when we get ready to cook these things and prepare them, we'll go through the bag and make sure everything's in there. We'll give an explanation, show how each bag kept. I probably won't end up making these until I finish the HelloFresh. I don't know. I may be able to throw one in. Yeah, so I'll just be cooking every day. That's cool. That's cool. And these are pretty light meals. Yeah, pretty light meals. You're not heavy. 15 minutes to prepare. So we'll go through all that stuff once we start preparing the meals. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did get a HelloFresh. I'm sorry. I did get a Home Chef box come in, and we're gonna compare these guys and just see the difference. So I'm excited. I'm excited. So we'll get these guys started. Just want to say, hey, hello to you guys. Hey, we're still doing our home meal comparisons and cooking the home meals. And the good thing about it is we get to learn about different foods we wouldn't normally go to the store and go to the store to get the ingredients for it and just cook on an everyday basis. The good thing is you have a variety, and that's what I've been enjoying. So even in some personal things I've done, I've been making sauce, because I never made the sauce from the HelloFresh meals. I thought that was pretty cool that you could just take a simple sour cream, some lemon juice, and garlic, and maybe a little onion, and make you a nice sauce for some fish. I thought that was really cool. So I pray you guys are doing well. Look forward to see you guys next video. Thank you for rocking with your boy. If you're here for the first time, please like and subscribe to the video. It's absolutely free, and I would love to have you join the family. So God bless you. Always pray for you. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.